There's no other.
Adventure, but multiplayer.
Lord of love, there's nobody like you, no one beside you.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, we sing together.
To you.
Endless praise.
Okay, let's give him admin. So, only infinite items will play. Yep.
Endless praise we sing to you.
Come on, give me food.
Endless praise we sing every night and day, every day.
Come on, let's go. You have your infinite items blocks, right? A sword!
You we giving you love.
Look at her attack. Any bully.
We give you all the praise.
Wait, give him.
Once again.
You lift you up.
We need food, guys. Wait. Oh.
Dapat bandahan ni Rolly yung tunog dyan. Ay, nakakatakot kay Josh yan.
Whoa, diamond armor?
Kaya ka nakakatakot.
Hey, look at this. Let's copy. Okay.
Ang lakas.
Hey, you already have.
Every night and day, every night and we sing.
They can mine straight down. Now it's 4 players.
Ang ganda ng original niya ng babaeng kumanta ba? Ang ano ng boses.
See your spirit falling down, loving falling, gifts from heaven. I love to worship you, my God. I love to worship you, my Lord, and feel your presence from your Lord-consuming love. Holy Spirit, come in power, sense my heart. I want to live for you, my God. Let your Spirit come in power, sense my
I'm gonna turn off the
heart.
PvP. Yeah. Nope. No more PvP.
I love to worship you.
Why? Hey, I'm gonna fight it. No, I'm gonna defeat it by accident. I'm gonna blow you up. No, I'm gonna attack you. Ah!
You're all-consuming love.
Hey! Hey, how's it going? It's fine. There's some multiplayers are coming, bruh.
To live for you, my God.
Do you have to explore the cave with these torches? Let's work together in this cave. Yay!
Kakamali ako dun. Dadahin yung
Huh?
Spirit come.
He's only using torch?
Sense my heart. I want to live for you, my God. Let your spirit come and power. Sense my heart that I may live for you, my Lord. Falling us, Lord. Falling us, Lord.
Oh no, he's blocking.
Falling us, Lord.
Where did you being blocked? I blocked him. No. Wait, he banned by himself. Huh? What? Someone wants to shoot us, but we cannot. Why placing the game? It's her. He's again. We don't give. He did not listen. He said, "What do you say?"
So I yearn for you, long to see you, Lord.
This guys,
Look,
look, everybody are in game rooms, but
so
wrecked.
I yearn for you,
The
long
multiplayer
to
is so
see you, Lord. I lift my hand before my King and pray. So I yearn for you, long to see you move. Lord, I lift my hand before my King and pray. Oh, Spirit, come and this my heart. I want to live for you, my God. Let
Wait,
your
where?
Spirit come in power. Sense my life that I may live for you, my Lord. Let the Spirit come in power. Sense my heart.
What do you
I
mean?
want
Where?
to live for you, my God. Let your Spirit come in power.
There's a lot of
Sense my heart. I will live for you, my Lord, for in us, Lord, for in us, Lord. Tapos pasok ako ng ano silang tuklo ng, ano, inter ng grades
I'm
na
very
yun,
scared.
for the-
Oh,
Your word, your freedom.
Ano yun?
I was only just mining, but why do you want to talk to me?
Oh, yeah.
More
Parang
iron.
yung instrument yung kumakanta.
Yay, more iron.
Mas
This
pagka
is
ano,
what
mas pasukan
adventure.
ng solid.
But it's multiplayers. I didn't even see the text. Should I head back? Ooh, almost fell.
Ano ang suggestion ni Pastora sa anniversary? Tribe.
Every child will see your glory.
Saka,
Why
isa
not?
lang tapos yung worship niya, ano, Holy Forever.
Oh, ganda. Kasi sabi ko sa yung Holy Forever kasi para siyang panglangit na kanta talaga ba? Para kang nasa langit na pag kumakanta ka kasi nun. Eh di ikaw papawit pala nun, try.
Hindi siya. Oh, matik na siya. Rin.
Si Ate Ren.
Ay, hindi na, ayaw na yung paawit.
How did guys already up there? That was fast.
Ano siya.
I'm gonna go back up and get in my water.
Sino papawit nyo? Taga-ganado? Taga-ano?
Taga-tindong.
Sus! Anniversary ng Loma, tapos walang paawit ng Loma. Ano ka
How
ba?
did player got there?
Hindi natin narinig to. Galot na forever.
Too many paths. Yeah, I already go up on the surface. What's up, Victor? You want? Elijah, come on. There's too many paths. Don't worry, I'm gonna do it. I'm going this way. Sorry, I just used the torch by accident. Lava. Where? Here. Bruh, how did you get there? Wait, I'm gonna start digging for you. Yeah, I can see you. How did you get here? Ow, ow, it hurts. I need water to do it. Ooh, here's some water. Protection. Wait, a large cave! That's before! They keep fighting! Oh, but she's running from the lava. They keep attacking. Wait! My glowstone! And a big open space! And there's mushrooms in the cave. You're so scared? No, I'm not scared. Why did you place torch? Sorry, I placed torch. I want to start branch mining from here. Let's go. We need chests.
Dapat pala ito yung tinawag ko. Ah,
Okay.
ganda ng places niya. God of my own, I'm surrender.
Can you start helping me?
Wait, I'm placing chests.
Oh, you dropped something. Reason ingot and diamond.
Enough to show my love for you.
Reason Inglet. Okay. This is enough. Okay.
Nothing matters when you're here with me. In the end, just to hear you say well done. Bowing before your throne, God of my forever, and forever I'm with you. My life is saved with a price.
Hey, how's it going? It's fine. I'm placing my items in a chest. Oh no, that player quits the game. Maybe we don't need adventure now.
And forever I will sing. My greatest honor will always be to serve my Lord and King. Yeah.
Now there's two. Let's split up.
Wala nagpapaawit nito. Bagay sa atin sa ano. Ay. One desire.
Bye, guys.